Hey guys, welcome back to Matlock's Toy Room Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at DC Universe Classics Wave 6, and this is Killer Moth. And this is an awesome figure. This is one of my favorite in the wave. Like I've said before, I'm a huge Batman fan, so I like all the Batman villains and stuff. That's my biggest DC craze. So this is figure number 3. He came with the head and torso of Colorback, and the card here, it's got a nice little biography of him, and it says his first appearance was Batman number 63 of March 1951. A couple other little statistics there, pretty awesome. Didn't realize he was that old either. It's kind of surprising when you see some of these on the cards, like it shows when they were first released, their first appearance. In 1951, you don't think that a character like Killer Moth would be that old. I mean, I wouldn't anyway. Maybe some people are just like, duh, but, you know, not me. But, pretty awesome figure. Let's take a look at him real quick. He's got one accessory. Came with a gold pistol. Pretty cool. And he's got just another little standard hook sheath, whatever. His wings are a little strange. They're like a hard, clear, orange plastic. Not the best wings I've ever seen, but no real complaint from me, but definitely not the best wings. He's got a couple of antennae. Mine actually came bent in the package, one of them. They're really flexible. I'm sure if I worked at it, I could get this thing bent back to the way it needs to be. But I mean, slowly over time it just keeps drooping down, but not that big of a deal to me. Pretty cool looking face we got here. And he's really got a strange color scheme. He's like a neon green and neon orange with purple and then some yellow thrown in. He's really bright and neon. You probably can't tell from the video like the brightness of the colors, but pretty cool. There's only one thing really disappointing about him is the paint app. Like they didn't do a great job on the paint on this one. You can't tell from the video, I'm positive, but definitely not the best paint job. It's kind of light. Probably could have used another coat on the legs. The torso is pretty good, but I think that's just purple plastic, but not that big of a deal. You can't really notice it that bad, but you know. Got the same good articulation, got a ball jointed head, goes in and out on the shoulder, backward and forward, rotate at the upper arm, bend at the elbow, turn at the wrist, bend down and up at the chest, and this one actually, yeah, there we go, never mind. It's kind of tight, but he does rotate at the waist, legs go in and out, so you can make him do the splits if you wish. And they go backward and forward pretty good. Bend at the thigh, mid-thigh. Bend at the knee. Up and down at the foot. And no ankle movement. So good articulation on these guys. And of course they all have great detail. And of course, I've said before, you know, I like the accessories. Not all of them have accessories, of course, and you know they shouldn't. No, you know, not all the figures are going to have them. But definitely like a little accessory now and again for some of them. But thanks for checking this guy out. Definitely awesome figure. You know, if you're a Batman fan or just DC Universe fan, awesome. And you know, I haven't said, but I'm sure everybody knows this, but these are on a 6-7 inch scale. So he's just over 6 inches. He's about 6.5. Some of them are a little different, but I think they're all about 6.5. Everyone I've measured was, so pretty awesome. But stay tuned next because we're doing figure 5. So thanks.